Hi, my name is Mike Bowden. Bowden Motor Company is a pre-owned car dealership. My goal when I opened this dealership was to run it as a new car dealership. It's a big decision to buy a car. When a customer comes in and buys a vehicle, I want them to leave happy. Our service department is run by Lou Sharp, who's been in the service industry for 30 years. We have all the amenities that you would find at a new car dealership. I'm Mike Bowden, Bowden Motor Company, 1253 Route 28, South Yarmouth. Come see me so I can put you in the car you need and give you the service that you deserve.
Bowden's Motor Company knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. Check out this white 2000 Chevrolet S10 LS, equipped with a V6 engine, and an automatic transmission with only 105,265 miles. Enjoy an impressive 22 miles to the gallon on this utility truck with features like air conditioning, dual airbags, clock, power steering, daytime running lights, illuminated entry system, intermittent wipers, and much more. Get where you need to go and have peace of mind in this 2000 Chevrolet S10 LS. See us at Bowden's Motor Company today.
Thanks for visiting Bowden's Motors. Call us today at 1-877-815-7632.